Okay. Application of trigonometry 12.1 exercise. We are doing second problem. Okay. A tree breaks due to the storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30 degrees. This is very important sentence. Suppose this is my AB, this is my tree. Just assume like this. Whatever. It is my tree. A tree breaks due to the storm and the broken part bends, and so the top, this is the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30 degrees angle. Suppose it is a break at this point. Suppose we are assuming this is my C. Suppose. So my tree is breaks at C and bends make an angle with the ground is 30 degrees. The distance between the foot and the top of the tree, this is the foot, this is the top. The distance between the foot of the tree, top of the tree is given by 6 meters. The distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. So when it touches the ground, we give some name. Say this is D. Now, find the height of the tree before falling down. That means year to year we need to find the distance, total height of the tree. But I know one thing, by drawing this picture, AC must be equals to CD, because this part is break and bends making angle of 30 degrees. So this is very interesting point, keep in mind. Anyhow, I have now a right angle triangle by considering BC. In a right angle triangle BCD, I know this one, I don't know this one. I don't know BC, but I know BD. Again we can apply tan because opposite side by adjacent side. Here I am selecting tan because I know the adjacent side but I don't know the opposite side. So with this angle we can find the BC. So tan 30 degrees is equals to opposite side BC by adjacent side is BD. But I know tan 30 degrees value. I would like to write it down here. 1 by root 3. Can I write it down? 1 by root 3 here. Is equals to, what is my BC? I don't know. I would like to leave as this. And BD is given 6 meters. It is dividing in both sides. 6 by root 3 is equals to BC. Okay. So I know one part of the tree now. Now I would like to find other part. See. Now I know this one, but I don't know this one. Adjacent side by hypotenuse, we should use cos. That helps to find CD. Now going to consider cos 30 degrees. That is equal to adjacent side BD by DC. My hypotenuse is DC. Cos 30 degrees, root 3 by 2. We keep in mind cos 30 degrees is equals to root 3 by 2. Now coming to here, BD is 6 meters by BC. I would like to write as it is because I don't know. Now coming to, by taking cross multiplication, root 3 into DC is equals to 6 2s are 12. DC is equals to 12 by root 3. That's all. Now DC is nothing but AC. CD and this is both are equal. Okay. So CD is nothing but AC. CD is nothing but DC. Keep in mind. We can call it as DC or CD. Nothing will happen. Therefore, AC is equals to 12 by root 3. 12 by root 3. Now, I would like to add BC plus AC gives AB, height of the tree. So AB is equals to BC plus AC. BC we have 6 by root 3. AC I have 12 by root 3. Denominators are same. We can write root 3 as this. 6 plus 12, 18. Because denominators are equal, we can add the numerators. By rationalizing this one, we get 18 root 3 by root 3 to root 3, 3. 3 how many times? 3 6 are 18, sorry. 3 6 are 18. That is equals to 6 root 3. So the height of the tree is 6 root 3 meters. But we need to write everything. First you should write what is AB. AB is the height of the tree. And CD is equals to BC. CD is equal to AC is equals to broken part of the tree. You should write all these things. And this is my angle. You should write it down somewhere. You should write it down. Here you should write down the angle BDC is equals to 30 degrees. And then you start doing the problem. Clear?